Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Before withdrawal, you must be updated your profile. Okay, just click here to profile. After clicking profile, okay, here is two addresses: Bitcoin wallet address and perfect money. Either you want to withdraw your profits using Bitcoin wallet address or perfect money. Okay, I have already updated. Just paste your wallet address. Bitcoin wallet address is here and perfect money is here. Then click here to update. Okay, if you don't, if you want to only one wallet address, for example, you want to only paste perfect money or only paste Bitcoin wallet address, then other wallet address don't leave empty. Okay, just type NA. Okay, if you only withdraw your funds only one wallet address. Okay, if you have both accounts, Bitcoin wallet address and perfect money, then you must paste both accounts. If you only one account, Bitcoin wallet address or perfect money, okay, then other one is only type NA. NA means not available. Don't leave it empty. Both of them filled. You must note. Okay, if you paste Bitcoin wallet address and you don't have perfect money, then type here NA. If you only perfect money and you want to withdraw your funds only perfect money account wallet, then type here NA, not available. Okay, but I have both accounts. I have also Bitcoin wallet address and perfect money. Paste and click here to update your profile. Okay, in this way you can first update your profile for withdrawal. After that, apply for withdrawal. Okay, and this is my referral ID. Use my right referral link to register your account and to get daily profits. Okay, and if you are using my referral link, you will get extra weekly team bonus. Okay, this link you will find into the description of this video. Click here. As you will see here, this form you will to fill. Okay, first name and last name, and this is my referral ID and position. Referral position is what? Referral binary side is right side. Okay, I already selected both of them, and just enter here. Okay, and you can also use this like if I am clicking directly here register. Okay, after clicking, and you will manually type my referral ID. You can also manually type my referral ID. Okay, for example, this referral ID you will find into the description of this video. Okay, and like this referral ID, either you want to manually type, just click here, and sponsor ID is what? This is my sponsor ID. Copy this sponsor ID and paste it here. Okay, and select position right, and type your name, your full name, etc. Okay, referral ID, and okay, type here, select right side, referral ID is available, and after that you filled this, click here and register your account, and you will get weekly team bonus if you are using my referral ID and referral side position side is right. Okay, because as you will see, my team binary structure. Okay, this is my ID, and as you will see, my left side is full already. Okay, and my right side is empty and my left side is already full, as you will see here. Okay, you will register using my right side, so you will get weekly team bonus in this way. Okay, profile for withdrawal. Now click here, withdrawal master. Now okay, click here, account withdrawal. After clicking account withdrawal, as you will see here, in this company you will apply for withdrawal on Sunday. Okay, you will to apply withdrawal on Sunday, and you will get your payment on Monday. Okay, it takes 48 hours to complete your withdrawal. Okay, I have received my withdrawal in 48 hours. My balance is zero because I have already applied for withdrawal using my Android mobile. Okay, okay, now I am using my laptop, as you will see on to the screen, and my balance is zero. Okay, withdrawals apply only on Sunday. Okay, same process. You want to withdraw BTC, wallet or perfection, select. After that, enter your amount. Okay, my BTC wallet is initiated amount, and you will get OTP onto your email. Type your OTP and apply. Okay, same thing. Yes, my withdrawal has been completed of Pamafunds. I have applied two withdrawals. Okay, first one is $16, as you will see here, on Sunday 11th April 2021. Okay, 11th April on Sunday I will apply for withdrawal. It will complete approximately 12th April. It means that it will complete under 48 hours. Okay, as you will see here, 0.0045651 BTC I have received on into my Binance account. As you will see here, payment successfully completed. Okay, because I have applied two withdrawals. One is $16 and other one is $12. As you will see here, 16 plus 12 equal to 0.0045651 BTC. Okay, I have received into my BTC. As you will see here, if I am copying this BTC and see, $28 approximately. Okay, $28.8 I have received into my BTC account. In this way, okay, you can invest in Pamafunds. Minimum investment of $40, and you can earn daily 2% profits. Okay, you can join my team using my referral link. Okay, as you will find into the description of this video. This is the withdrawal proof of Pamafunds company.